So, you've been thinking about moving to the Dallas-Fort Worth area? Well, we wanted to introduce ourselves. I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
And we own the Andy Daniel Realty Group that's powered by eXp Realty, and we specialize in residential real estate in the Dallas-Fort Worth area.
We work with people all over the U.S. and beyond looking to move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and we absolutely love it. We moved here about 14 years ago, and we understand the emotions that you go through when it comes to moving to a new location.
So we created a seamless and smooth process for all of our out-of-state clients that keeps them connected to the process here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area while wrapping up their situation back home. One of the big questions that we get is, how do we know which city or area to move into? So what we have done is we have taken our video camera out and about and all around the city and different suburbs and show you what it's like to live, work, and play in the great area of Dallas-Fort Worth.
Perhaps your company's like so many others and they're relocating their headquarters here.
Or maybe you're a young family and you're looking for a better place to raise them.
Or a young professional looking for a more singles lifestyle.
Or perhaps the country is more your style. So no matter your situation, Andy and Patrice have got your back when moving here to the Dallas-Fort Worth area.
So call us, text us, email us, however you'd like to get a hold of us, just get a hold of us anytime, day, night, weekend, holiday, doesn't matter.
Also, be sure to follow us, like our page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and all of our other social media sites so you don't miss any of the video content that we're putting out on a weekly basis. Until next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Talk to you later.
See you soon.